Hello and welcome. Let us discuss question from the topic environmental organizations that came in the year 2021. So there were 3 questions that came in the year 2021. Now the first question is, with reference to New York Declaration on Forest, which of the following statements are correct? Number 1, it was first endorsed at the United Nations Climate Summit in 2014. This statement is correct because it was endorsed in this summit by United Nations Secretary General at that time. The first statement is correct. It endorses a global timeline to end the loss of forests. So basically, under this New York Declaration on Forest, replantation of forests and lost forests and croplands are happening. It is a legally binding international declaration. No, this is non-legally binding international declaration. It is endorsed by governments, big companies and indigenous communities. This statement is correct because around 200 entities are endorsing New York Declaration on Forests that was signed in United Nations Climate Summit, and India was one of the signatory. India is not a signatory of this New York Declaration on Forest. So 1, 2 and 4 is the correct answer as far as this question is concerned. If we look at another question, then this, in the context of India's preparation for climate smart agriculture, consider the following statements. Number 1, the climate smart village approach in India is a part of project led by the Climate Change, Agriculture and Food Security CCAFS, an international research program. The project of CCAFS is carried out under Consultative Group on International Agricultural Research CGIAR, headquartered in France. And third, the International Crops Research Institute for the Semi-Arid Tropics in India is one of the CGIAR's research centers. Now, as far as this climate smart agriculture is concerned, then dryland farming or organic farming can be considered as climate smart agriculture because the crops are grown on the basis of availability of water, and the best suited crops as far as that climate is concerned is grown. So all the statements of these questions are correct, hence D is the right answer. Another question was there in the year 2021 related to this environmental organization topic. Now consider the following statements. Statement 1, the United Nations Capital Development Fund and the Arbor Day Foundation have recently recognized Hyderabad as 2020 Tree City of the World. Statement 2 is, Hyderabad was selected for the recognition for a year following its commitment to grow and maintain the urban forest. Now, as far as this Tree City of the World program is concerned, this is released by FAO and Arbor Day Foundation. Arbor Day Foundation. The first statement is incorrect. Second is correct. FAO is a United Nations organization found in the year 1945. Arbor Day Foundation is a non-profit organization which was found in the year 1972, and this is the largest NGO that is planting trees. As far as tree planting is concerned, then this is the largest NGO. So in the year 2020, they recognized 120 cities including Hyderabad because Telangana government launched program that is Harita Haram program. Harita Haram program. Or urban forest program. So this was launched by Telangana government. Hence, Hyderabad was selected and the only city that is selected under this Tree City of the World program. So our answer for this question is D, because statement 1 is not correct, because FAO and Arbor Day Foundation, they released this Tree City of the World list, under which Hyderabad was selected in the year 2020 because of this program, Harita Haram program or urban forest program. Under this program, Telangana government is basically targeting to increase its forest area from 25% to 33% by focusing on urban forestry. Hence, D is the right answer. Thank you.